Master valve and number 4 valve are on, so station and master valve is working. So our this set is now repaired. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this Rain-Bird ESP-RZXe irrigation system controller. It is not controlling the valves. It is turning on. When we turn on, it is displaying that no AC is detected. Let's trace what is the fault and how we can troubleshoot it. Here is 220 volts line and neutral, and this wire is earthing wire. We will apply voltage. If you don't have good experience in power electronics, never try to repair because it uses live electrical voltage. I connected line voltage, and this time I am not connecting the ground wire, earthing wire. It will receive 220 volts and it provides 24 volt here. Then the rain sensor is bypassed. These 2 points are for master valve. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are stations, sprinklers. It will turn on the valves in the different areas where the sprinklers are installed. Whenever we will select any channel, any area, any station, for example, channel number 1 is on, at that time channel number 1 plus master valve will turn on. If we are selecting number 2, at that time 2 and master valve. Sprinkler number 3 with master valve. So master valve will turn on with each station. Whenever we program with the schedule or we program manually, for example, we are turning on channel number 1 in manual mode or auto mode, it will turn on 1 and master valve. Let's start. Here is off sign visible. First we will adjust date and time. Today is 7 June. Date, next month, 7 June, next 2023, 7 June 2023, 3:57 p.m. 3:57 auto. We adjusted the time, but it is showing no AC. That means AC is not connected. Whenever the power transformer is damaged, it shows no AC or power failure. No AC. When power is connected, no AC sign will invisible. Set multimeter to AC and we will check voltage at this point. 28 volt AC. 24, 28 volt AC, that's good. Now we will place common lead at common. This lead at master valve, it is providing 26 volts. Here no voltage, no voltage, no voltage, no voltage. This condition is bad. When system is off, it must remain off. So this is our first problem. Then the fault reported that it is not turning on these stations. Now we will check it. I will use this multimeter to check master valve. So I will set this multimeter to AC. I will program station number 1 to provide output. Program station number 1 for 1 minute. I will select time and I will put auto. we can see it is providing 16 volt and it is providing 26 volt. 16 volt are not acceptable. It must provide these voltage, 28 volt. Station number 1, 2 is low, 3 is low, 4 is low. Okay, let me select station number 2. Manual. Station number 2 for 1 minute. Station number 2 have same 13 volt, so it is not good. Station number 3 for 1 minute on auto. It is 14 volt, not good. And this is permanently pull high, so it is providing direct output, so that means it has something wrong and it has something wrong. Okay, station number 4. Next, 1 minute auto. It is not changing output. Yes, here is burn track. We have burn track here. Let's repair this track and then we will check it. I am using connection wire. So it is not a enabled wire, it is just only copper wire. First I will test it and then I will secure it. It have very small transformer. I don't know what is the reason why it is damaged. Might be there is something wrong, because normally it is just only 15.6 watt transformer, 0.65 ampere. If there was something wrong, if the track is burned out, that means there is some wrong connection or like that. .28 volt, 2.4 volt, 2.4, 2.4. I will turn on manually. Yes, we can see number 1 is now turned on. This is directly on and now number 1 is turned on. Now manual. Number 2 for 1 minute. Okay, number 2 is now turned on. Manually. Number 3 for 1 minute auto. Number 3 is turned on. Number 4 low. 4 1 minute auto. Number 4 is turned on but it is not providing voltage. We have two things now. this one and number 4. Here it is using BT136. This first BT136 triac is discolored, and this have some sparking sign here. Now we will check triacs with the multimeter in continuity. BT136 triac have tab. Tab is terminal 2. Terminal 2 connected at output terminal. This point is gate and this point is terminal 1. It will connected at input terminal. Terminal 1, yes, this terminal 1, it have disconnection. This terminal, this triac have disconnection here. All terminal 1 must be connected at the same point. If we check resistance between terminal 1 and terminal 2, it is giving resistance. That is not good sign. This triac is short circuit from terminal 2 to terminal 1. It must be open. We can see this terminal is already damaged. So this sparking is under this point. So I think it was the reason that it made sparking here with the triac. We removed it and still it have short circuit. Its transformer is very small. It is just only 0.68 ampere. That cannot provide so heavy spark. In this situation, the transformer must be damaged. But I think there is some mistake or some unnecessary electric reached here, or might be some bad connection. Because 24 volt 0.6 ampere, that is not a huge current. If the wires are short circuit, most probably the transformer will damage. But that cannot damage this triac because it makes sparking here, it makes sparking here. Might be there is something wrong between these two channels. I will replace BT137 because I don't have BT136. BT137. Okay, now it's good. So might be its eyelet is damaged. I will make jumper between this one and this one. So it is best option that we can make jumper between this terminal 1 and this terminal 1. Now I connected jumper between this terminal 1 and this terminal 1. So all terminal 1 must be at the same point. Same way I will make jumper from this terminal 1 to this terminal 1. Try to I am using this connection wire. It is not an enabled wire. It is just only connection wire for the tracks without insulation. Normally I use this wire to make PCB tracks. Now I connected a long jumper in piggyback condition so that it will work normally, because it is not handling too much current. It is just only 0.6 ampere maximum, 0.5 ampere, 24 volt, 0.5 ampere, so it will work normally. Now we will assemble it, verify all the nuts here. Okay, date and time 7 June 2023. The time is here now. 16, 41. What? No AC? Yes, now this multimeter is showing 0 volts. Before this it was showing full voltage. Now I will connect this multimeter to channel number 1. Now I will program number 1 station for 1 minute. On. Yes, both stations are now providing 28 volt, the same supply voltage. That means our controller is started working now. When it will turn off, both stations will turn off. After 1 minute, station number 1 and master valve must turn off. Before this, it was directly turning on and this was not providing power. This was around 15-16 volt. Yes, that's good. Station number 2 for 1 minute. auto. Both stations are now on, and it must remain on, master valve and number 2, until this sign is visible. That means the processor is now controlling both channels. Master valve, it is opening the main water valve, and this one is sprinkler in the area number 2. Yes, both stations are now off. Now we will program number 3. This multimeter is showing main valve, and this is station. Okay, now I will program station number 3 for 1 minute. Now we can see we received voltage at master valve and sprinkler. Until this sprinkler sign is flashing, voltage will remain present. Sign invisible now, and voltage are low, 0. Now we will test number 4. Before this, these channels were providing 15 volt, 16 volt due to disconnection and some loose circuit. But after replacing that track, now the voltage are good. Auto. Yes, excellent. All the 4 channels are now turning on with master valve. Now I will program it in automatic mode. Okay, we will plan number 4 in auto mode. This time is 16:51. Schedule station number 4 for 1 minute. Next, auto. Now we will advance this time. Next. At 5 p.m. on Wednesday, it must turn on. Yes. Channel number 4 is now turned on, and it is sprinkling. Both master valve and number 4 valve are on. So station and master valve is working. So this set is now repaired. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.